All right, it's Thursday, November 13th. Just wanted to follow up on the SPY. You can see here after rebuying some puts here at this kind of lower blue line, breaking down below this red bar, expecting the lows of the day to be tested. I wanted to see what happened here. Obviously, price action didn't want to just take out liquidity and start back up. We're starting lower, so that's good. And you can see now the options are really moving up nicely. I bought those 685 puts at 653. I scaled that at 750, a point higher to set up an always trade. They're asking 917 right now, so getting close to 3 points higher on this trade. They just traded at 920, bought them at 650. So we're definitely starting to move lower now, setting the tone to the day to the downside. We just have to see now, our next target is kind of into this gap down here, and then we see what happens. So it's just a matter at this point of really watching price action. You kind of, you would expect a pause in that area, but you never know for sure. But if it's just an orderly pause, then whatever this push down, I'm kind of expecting one push, some kind of a pause, and then a second push down if the directional move really builds some momentum to the downside here. So all at no risk. You can take base hit gains here. We're going to see if we could really turn, we're starting to turn this weekly chart red, but this is just the first move here. So it really depends on how the day ends up. Can we hold this and then continue to the bottom of this range for the rest of the week? We'll find out. But for now, price action wise, we're at no risk to really see how the intraday structure develops for the rest of the day. You would guess this next target is into this gap and kind of just see how price action reacts to that at that point. But it can go a lot lower if it wants to. So let's just go bar by bar here, see if the structure unfolds. I'm hopefully, looking for another push down and then some kind of orderly pause and a secondary push. And we'll see, how this day ends up and how, for the rest of the week, can we really be getting down to the bottom of this range or not. But in order to reverse higher now, we have to get back through the midpoint of this first bar on the day. And in the days ahead, if we hold down here, we have to get a 2-up day. So that's going to be back to the buy side. If not, we're, anticipating lower prices at the moment.